Wait, don't scroll up. Let's see this little girl doing her housework. She's just arrived from school. She's using this sanitizer. She's cleaning her hands using this wipe. She's gonna do the laundry using this smart washing machine. She's sweeping the floor using this folding dustbin. She's gonna mop the floor using this small bucket and this folding mop. She's mopping the floor. This is the toilet. She's cleaning the toilet using this small brush. That's a box she's using for she's in the bathroom. She's washing her hands. Now she is brushing off her bed using this electric cleaner. Maybe that's just not electric. This is the living room. This is a small fan. She's eating something. That's strawberry. If you wanna see many more videos like this and more gadgets, please visit my channel. This is another clip. Let's see this little girl and the gadgets we've got in this beautiful apartment. She's organizing her clothes. She's doing laundry using this small folding washing machine. She's washing her hands. Maybe she's gonna prepare something to eat. That's rice. She's gonna prepare rice using this rice cooker. She's gonna make omelet. She's grinding meat. This is a cooker. She's using it for maize and other food. This is a fryer. Her food is ready now. She's eating her food. She's gonna wash the dishes. She's using this dishwasher. That's water. She's drinking water. She's printing this paper. She's doing her homework. She's mopping the floor using this folding mop. This is the toilet. She's cleaning the toilet using this brush. This is the bedroom. She's taking a shower. It's bedtime. She's gonna sleep.